Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam course. At that lecture, we're gonna see our finishing toolpath. This is my finishing toolpath here. Okay, when we turn to parameters, finish parameters, we're gonna see that number of the finish passes 1. You can click OK button and calculate our dirty operations. And then we can turn to geometry. This is my geometry starting from here and finishing here. We can use right mouse button and the delete options here, and then we can click right mouse button here and add new chain. After that we can start from here and maybe we should click here, and then I can click OK button and calculate it again. At that point we can only see that kind of toolpath here.